buttons. Don't look like an engineer. Well, I'll do it again to help out. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes! Yes! Keep shooting!
Come on, pilot!
They've locked onto us! Take evasive action!
Alto. Guarda,
There it is! After that plane! Flight engineers! Fire the harpoons! Left pilot brakes! Good work! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one! Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I gravity coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe we did something for unknown pilots. Line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. The cargo's breaking, keep shooting. Good job, my friend. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. It's not getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes. A distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Watch out. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Move. Let's get out of here. Great job, my friend. You retrieved 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your gun, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is, hey, not bad.
No, yo saqué.
Yo le hice hacer. Pero ¿cómo se llama?
Yo 900.
Eso no depende de eso, no depende de
Time
eso.
for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.